Tofta Íþróttafélag was founded in 1962 to compete in annual rowing competitions. A football club was later established in 1968, which came to be known as B68. In 1980, the first field was laid out in Svengasker, which was also the first time B68 advanced into the first division. Four years later, they won the division and repeated the following year. In 1989, the field was used for track and field events in the Island Games hosted by the Faroe Islands. Without a UEFA-certified field, desire to replace the artificial turf arose, as the Faroese national team couldn't play any home games in the Faroes. After a home game in Sweden, when the national team defeated Austria in 1990, a new field was demanded. Later that year, work on a new field and association hall began. Opening the following year, the field now had seating lining its perimeter. In 2004, the lower field was also upgraded. Catch the excitement of B68.